Ka riro te hunga kāinga kore o Whanganui ki ngā haumaru.
As you can see, we're struggling right now, we're a bit lost. Yeah, it's just a shame that we have to be like this, eh?
E pāma mai ana a piripi paki I te hinganga o tōna tēneti I Pākaitore I Nāpō.
How does it make you feel, bro? Like, straight up?
Shit. Hey, I wish I could do more for my own family. I can't do anything else for other people, I've got four family members right now here. Me, my partner and my 2 kids. So it is a bit of a struggle. And I don't know what I'm going to do from here, my brother, to be honest.
Sad to be back this morning and see exactly what can happen on our whenua.
He auaua te kite o David Puohotaua I ngā aupehitanga ka pākirunga I te hunga kāinga kore.
Last night wasn't the best of nights, but during this kind of weather, people that are in tents, they usually get wet, cold, and we had some pretty extreme weather last night.
It was wet and cold, we were sleeping in water. Yeah, so, but that's no one's fault. Hey, my brother, it's just, Mother Nature at work. Oh, you're looking at shambles, my brother, branches falling off trees on our houses. Lucky no one got hurt. So, yeah, we all woke up today trying to get the mahi done so we can move on.
Kua ākona e te hunga kāinga kore oko nei ki te noho tahi I ngā wakawiunga o te ao ki runga I a rātou.
Now we came here together with no wars. We had to learn to live as a family.
Really, really, really mamai for those that had to live through this thing last night. Even I think the pound have better accommodation than a lot of our people in Whanganui.
They really need somewhere private. They're all capable of paying rent. They're not our chronic homeless. Those are the ones out on the streets. They're not chronic.
Does this scene here, how does this make you feel every time this happens?
Oh, frustrated really.
Nā ko nā hunuku ai rātou ki tō rātou kāinga rua.
We'll respond, we'll continue to look for a safe private site for them or better accommodation.
I just want the best for all of us, not just myself and my own whānau. Yeah, because we all have different stories, brother.
O te manako nui o te hunga nei ka witi anō te rā ki te taiuru. Te kakinga ka witi Bashara, Taiuru News.